Hi, this is Joe Paone with CE Week TV, and we're here with Tracy Benson, VP of Global Marketing with Seek Thermal. And Tracy, tell me a little bit about thermal imaging for consumers.
Sure. Thank you for having such a great event. Thermal imaging has typically been something that hasn't been accessible to most consumers just because of the complexity of the technology, the cost of putting that into some device. And so thermal allows you to see heat. We refer to it as seeing the unseen. And so we're reading temperature in infrared, and then we're putting that through a sensor, which are microbolometers, and then displaying what that heat looks like in images. So if you think about thermal, it's most used for saving energy. Half of the home is about heating and cooling. And so we can find an easy application by this device that plugs into anybody's smartphone, and we can help them detect insulation that's missing, window leaks, weather stripping, or just other common issues in repair around the house. So let me show you as an example. So our thermal device can look at a window, and we can detect the temperature range within a 2-degree temperature range. So here we're looking at a window that has insulation that's running at a temperature above 84 degrees. If we wanted to say, what is the coldest point and the hottest point, so we know where the source of the issue is, this quickly allows us to detect it, and the average homeowner can make decisions to save heat and save energy. Another common use is if you're looking at pipes, you're looking at electrical boxes, frayed wires, clogged pipes. We can start to identify where the source of the issue is, and we can look at things that are only above a certain temperature to identify issues. In addition to the home, the applications are about safety and security. So oftentimes people call it predator vision or night vision. Thermal doesn't need any ambient light, so it sees heat in the night. So if you're looking for what's in the backyard, I'm out camping and I'm not sure if there's a bear around me, or I want to make sure the fire is out, or find my lost cat in the tree. Those are easy things to do with Seek Thermal. Lastly, I think it's about saving time and money, which it's very important. There's a segment of consumers that want to be able to use a technology like this in an everyday application. So we've produced it in a smartphone device, Android and iPhone, and it gives people the opportunity to take this with them wherever they go and use it in many environments.
What's the price?
The price is very reasonable at $250 retail, and we have a second device which is $299 at retail. And so typically thermal has cost consumers more than $3,000. And so this is pretty innovative to bring this to a device where we feel it should be accessible to anybody. So $250 is all about the design and the engineering, and we've been in the thermal space for a while.
Cool stuff, or hot stuff, depending on what the temperature is. I'm Joe Paone. Thanks, Tracy.
You're welcome.
And
Thank you.
thanks for watching CE Week TV.